Alright, so we are going to do partial derivatives. This is for Clark Carolina's CMAT 210 course, Business Calculus. So if you're watching this video and you're not technically in the class, it's quite alright. This is more or less for business calculus students. Anyway, partial derivatives is in chapter 7.3. Okay? So, partial derivatives, we are just pretty much still taking derivatives, but we'll take it in concern to whichever variable we are working with. So let's say if f of x, y, equals to 3x squared y plus 2xy squared minus 3x plus 1. And I say find the partial derivative of x. So that means we keep the y's as constants, but we find the derivative of all the x values pretty much. So if I'm looking at this, derivative of 3x squared would be 6x, and then we'll still multiply and add by y, right? And then we take the derivative of 2x, which will be 2, and then multiply that by y squared, and then we take the derivative of 3x, and that would be minus 3. And then when we take the derivative of a constant, that is technically what? 0. So my final answer should be 6xy plus 2y squared minus 3. And then that's it. Let's say I say find the partial derivative of y. So using the same function, okay, I am going to look at the derivative in respect to y. So the 3x squared remains, okay, but what's the derivative of y? Well, the derivative of y is just 1. Then I have 2x, right? That acts as a constant. And so what is the derivative of y squared? Well, that would be 2y. And then what is the derivative of y here? Well, there is no y. So that would just be plus 0, and the